In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up on Aster DEX. Now, first you need to go to the official Aster DEX website. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and this will take you to the official Aster DEX website. Now, if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. After you click on that link, you'll come to the official website here. It's going to say enter your invite code to earn your airdrop, and then just basically leave the code in. This is my code, you can use this one, and then click on redeem invite code. Once you do this, you'll see that you now have the basically access to the Aster DEX, and in here you can go ahead and basically just connect your wallet. And by connecting your wallet, which you can do by clicking this connect wallet button, or you can of course just sign up using email in some occasions. So if I go to BNB chain here, there we go, I can just log in with email. So it's completely up to you, and whenever you do that, you've basically signed up for an account. Okay, so by connecting a wallet or email, you essentially created your account. If you want to know how to do this, how to connect every single one of these wallets, I actually have a tutorial on all of that on my channel, so go watch that too to actually get started. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.